Hello, students. Welcome to the class board. I hope you are safe and healthy at home. Today, we will be learning Social Studies of Class 2. The topic is Clothes We Wear. Topics to be covered in the class are what are clothes, what are the need of clothes, what are the types of clothes, and popular Indian clothes. Clothes. What is the meaning of clothes, students? Clothes are one of our basic needs. Clothes are garments that we wear to cover our bodies. Clothes keeps us safe from heat, cold, rain and wind. Clothes also keeps us safe from insect bites. Long ago, people covered themselves with leaves and skins of animals, and with time, people learned to make clothes. What is the need of clothes? Now, clothes gives comfort to our body. They protect us from sunburn in hot weather, chill in cold weather, getting wet in the rains, and they also protect us from insect bites. Coming to the types of clothes, there are three types of clothes. First is seasonal, second is occasional, and the third one is uniforms. Coming to the first type of clothes, which is seasonal clothes, these are the clothes we wear on different types of seasons. First season is summer. Our clothes in the summer have to be made of cotton. We get cotton from cotton plant. Cotton is spun into threads, then cotton cloth is woven. Cotton is soft and comfortable and it usually absorbs sweat. The clothes in the summer season should be loose and thin. Loose and thin clothes are ideal for air circulation around our body. They ease movements of our limbs. The clothes in the summer season should be light colored. Light colored clothes do not absorb heat, instead, they reflect it. Coming to the winter season, in winter we should wear clothes which are woolen. We get wool from sheep. A sheep's body is covered with thick hair. These hair are cut and cleaned to make woolen threads. More air is trapped in the pores of woolen clothes. It also prevents loss of heat from our body. In order to keep us warm, we should wear woolen clothes in layers. The clothes in winter should be dark colored, as dark colored clothes absorb heat and provide extra heat to our body. Now, the third season is the rainy or the monsoon. In monsoon, we have to wear clothes of waterproof material like rubber. It keeps our regular clothes dry and free from moisture. We should also use umbrellas and gumboots in the rains. The second type of clothes is occasional clothes. They are worn on happy and sad occasions. On happy occasions, such as marriages and birthdays, we should wear elegant clothes such as saris, achkans, churidars, suits, etc. And on the other hand, on sad occasions like death, people usually wear simple and white clothes. The third type of cloth, which was uniform, are clothes which people wear on special sets of clothes. These are their uniforms. You wear a uniform to school. Many other also wear uniforms, such as nurse, guards, etc. Some popular Indian clothes of men and women in Indian society are Indian women mostly wear saris, salwar kurtas, top jeans, choli and ghagra, whereas men in the society wear t-shirt, jeans, kurta pajama, dhoti kurta or shirts and trousers. So students, this was a wrap and this was our chapter Clothes We Wear. I hope you had understand this chapter properly. Thank you and be safe. Hello students.